Hello guys, this is Patrice J. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I want to talk to you guys today about what I have going on in my side business. Okay. I wanted to make extra money on the side. I do have a 8 to 5 job that I go to every day, Monday through Friday, weekends off. But on the side, I like to make extra money. So back in November, the end of November, I started an Etsy shop. I started selling products on Etsy using print on demand, Printify, which is I create designs that I get from Canva, and then I add it on the Printify website to the items, and I post it on Etsy. And I started at the end of November, and in December I grossed around $800 something, but I profited like $600 something, which wasn't bad. So I will post screenshots throughout the video for proof. So in January of this month, in this year, I started a Shopify store. On my Shopify, www.exclusivecreations.com. It will be in the link in the bio below, description below. I sell clothing, jewelry, shoes, accessories. Yeah. So far, I only got 3 sales, and I'm so thankful. Okay. I'm so thankful for those 3 sales. Like, I put in work, y'all. Like, and I know it's just going to get better, and more sales are going to come. Like, I work all day, all night. I'll be staying up all night. My husband said, "You better go to sleep." It's like, baby, I am. I'm working. So consistency is key. So I know I'm just thankful for what God has in store for me going forward, because I know it's just going to get. Another thing that I do is research. Like, I research everything. YouTube. I even research Etsy, on TikTok. Like, everything, to try to come up with ideas, what techniques I need to use, what strategies I need to use to make my platform better. I'm like studying, and I also have in my pin site, I will link that below as well. I have a product that lists 101 product ideas that you can sell. I also have an ebook that I'm selling that has done for you templates. Like, you can just use those templates in that ebook, and you can either change it or use it as is. Okay, so stuff like that helped me. Like, I actually use those products, and that's how I came up with my results. So make sure you guys check out those products down in my description. Okay, don't forget to sign up and purchase those items so you can start making money as well. 2024 is going to just get bigger and better. I'm so thankful for my customers, my 3 customers from Shopify. I'm so thankful for my Etsy customer, just all my customers with all the stuff that I have. I'm so thankful, and I know it'll get bigger and better. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.